Now, most welcome all students of Standard 9. Now, dear students, today I start your new chapter, The Little Girl, by Catherine Mansfield. Okay, students. So, first of all, we know about Kathleen Mansfield. Okay, students, this is a picture of Catherine Mansfield. Okay, that's a full name, Kathleen. Here, students, Kathleen, not Catherine. Kathleen Mansfield Patience. Just Catherine Mansfield Murray. That's a full name. She was a prominent modernist writer who was born and brought up in New Zealand. She wrote short stories and poetry under the pen name Catherine Mansfield. So Catherine Mansfield is that's a pen name. Pen name. That's a name given by the reader. Okay. So Catherine Mansfield, that's a pen name, but that's the actual name Kathleen Mansfield Murray. You may also call Kathleen Mansfield Beecham. Okay, and she was born on 14th October 1888, Wellington, in New Zealand, and she wrote a number of short stories and poetry under his pen name Catherine Mansfield. When she was 19, she left colonial New Zealand and settled in England. And she was died on 9th January 1923 on the age of 34 years only. Okay, dear friends, Mansfield was diagnosed with pulmonary tuberculosis in 1917 and she died on 9th January 1923, okay, in France. And resting place, Cemetery d'Avon, Avon Sainte Marin. Pen name Catherine Mansfield, that's a pen name. And she was short story writer and poet also. Okay, she wrote that's all short stories, all poems in English. She was New Zealand alma mater, dear friends. He get the degree from Queen's College in London, period 1908 to 1923. Literary movement, modernism. She was a modernism writer. And spouse, that's the name of husband. That's a George Borden. And after divorce, she married to John Milton Murray. Okay, students. Now we know down that's a famous work of Catherine Mansfield. First, the tiredness of Rosabelle. Germans at meet, a birthday, a blast, a truthful adventure, the journey to Bruges. How poor Bottom was kidnapped, new dresses, the little girl, 1923, the little girl. Okay, that's your chapter. The woman at the store, Ban's doors, Millie, all underwood, Pension Seguin, Violet. Something childish, but very natural. The apple tree, the little governess, spring pictures, a dill pickle, Feuille de album, Jennifer Pass Francis, late at night, pictures, seesaw, the black cap, a number of stories. So these are the some famous sort of stories of Catherine Mansfield. So each and every student must you note down This is very, very important, and that's very inspirable story also for each and every students, especially for little girl. That's ये प्यारे बच्चों, ये बहुत ही इंस्पायर करने वाली, ये खासकर छोटे बच्चों के बीच में ये जो कन्फ्यूज़न होता है कि उनके माता पिता उन्हें डांटते हैं, उन्हें फटकारते हैं, और ख़ासकर वो छोटे बच्चे जिन्हें अपने पिताजी से हमेशा डर लगा रहता है, उन्हें डर लगा रहता है कहीं पिताजी डांटे नहीं। वो पिताजी के पास वो जब तक रहते हैं तब तक अपने आप को वो सफोकेट महसूस करते हैं, सफोकेशन में वो रहते हैं। तो ये उन सारे बच्चों के लिए है जिन्हें अपने खासकर फादर के प्रति जो होती है, ये जो उन्हें लगता है क्या पिताजी हैं तो वहाँ पे डिसिप्लिन, वहाँ पे एक मेंटेनेंस, वहाँ पे एक डर वो जो लगा रहता है बच्चों के साथ। और जब पिताजी चले जाते हैं ऑफिस, जब पिताजी घर से बाहर चले जाते हैं तो उन्हें एक रिलैक्सेशन फील होता है, उन्हें लगता है कि मैं आज़ाद हूँ। और जब तक पिताजी रहते हैं तो वो सभी जैसे अलर्ट अटेंशन के रूप में वो बच्चे रहते हैं। तो उन सारे बच्चों के लिए ये कहानी है। तो इस चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपके जो टेक्स्ट बुक है उसका जो स्टार्टिंग का जो 2 लाइन है, स्टार्टिंग की जो बातें कही गई है सभी बच्चों के लिए, उसे पहले एक बार हम लोग रीड करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ दैट्स द फर्स्ट पॉइंट। डू यू फील you know parents better now than when you were much younger? Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. Okay, so through this line, yeah, that's when we are small. When we are small, we do not know why our parents are being strict with us. But as we grow older, we become mature and we realize why they were being strict with us. And when we realize that thing, then we also realize that our parents love us. So even the reader can also relate to this. You all can also feel that when you were younger, the action your parents did, the strictness that they had towards you for your betterment. And as you know, you will grow older and older, you will realize that in the past, whatever acts your parents did were your betterment, and in fact they really love you. And that is starting time whenever we are under the mature, then we feel our fathers why that's always strict us. Then whenever we become the mature, then we feel why. Okay students, now in the second line, this is a story about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding will probably find an echo in every home. Now, dear students, now what do mean by will probably find an echo in every home? That means all the children will feel the same way. So you all can relate to the feeling of little girl Kezia. You know the character of this story, Kezia, name of little girl. Just like Kezia is full of fear towards her father, and later on she understands his behavior and feels that he she was concerned, and she loved her, and that's her father was concerned, and he loved her. All the children also have the same feeling towards their parents, and you can relate to Kezia's story very well. Okay students, ये कहानी सभी बच्चों के लिए है, वो खासकर वो सभी बच्चे जो जिन्हें अपने पिताजी से, थी ना, एक सफोकेशन, एक डर। जब उनके पिताजी उनके घर में रहते हैं तो जैसे कि मानो कि कोई अलर्टनेस है कि सही समय पे सोना है, सही समय पे उठना है, सही समय पे सभी कार्य करने हैं। क्या एक अपने आप को एक सफोकेशन, एक अलर्टनेस वो उन्हें फील होता है। और जब उनके पिताजी आउट ऑफ हाउस होते हैं तो रिलैक्सेशन महसूस होती है। तो स्टार्टिंग में सभी बच्चों को ये फील होता है क्यों पिताजी इतने स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं, क्यों। लेकिन जब जैसे हम लोग मेच्योर होते हैं तो हम लोग इस बात को समझते हैं कि उन्हें स्ट्रिक्टनेस क्यों वो होते थे। ठीक, ये सेम केस स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीचर के बीच में भी होती है। टीचर इतने अधिक स्ट्रिक्ट क्यों होते हैं, टीचर इतने अधिक ऑलमोस्ट टाइम्स या दैट्स बिहेवियर्स दैट्स लाइक अ स्ट्रिक्ट पर्सन, व्हाई। लेकिन जैसे जैसे बच्चे मेच्योर होते हैं तो वो इस बात को समझते हैं ये सभी चीज़ है फॉर बेटरमेंट, ये हम सबों के अच्छाई के लिए ही होती है। लेकिन ये कब समझ में आती है, जब हम मेच्योर होते हैं, वेन एवर दैट्स वी हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग पावर। ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ I hope that you understand that's the theme of this chapter. Okay, in the second part we read about this introduction, summary, and that's the message of this story. Okay, bye.